got a nerd block and it's been ripped. Who's ripped? Have you ripped this nerd block?
I've not ripped it.
I haven't.
Let's have a look. It'll be fine, it'll be fine. Right, okay, so this is...
Nerd block junior.
Yeah, for
Me?
July?
Yeah.
Or is it June's? Could be June's. I'm sure we'll find out. Just rip this open. There we go. Right, pull it open, let's see what we've got.
Ooh, a new Skylander.
Oh, cool.
He's got a sword.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, we've got this. We've got an original version of this dude. We've got. This is the Spyro's official. Hold on, hold on.
Woo-hoo.
Stop pulling things out a minute. So you got a book. Stranded. What's this other thing, Connor, that you've got?
Bots.
Kid Robot.
Bots.
What's it say on the side? What are those things on the side?
These are all the ones that you can collect.
Oh, okay. Do you want to open it and see which one you've got?
Yeah.
Right, we're not inbox collectors, so it doesn't matter if the thing gets. So this is a proper blind box.
A blind, I think.
What have you got? No. Do you want Daddy to have a go opening it? Oh well, that's not going to work, but... Okay.
I think I can open it.
Alright, okay. I'll leave you to struggle for a bit. Now you finally got in.
Got this dude.
What is he?
Yeah.
He's a boxer, it looks like. So you've got a boxing. Yeah, so show the camera. So you've got a boxing robot. Hold him. He's got a black eye.
Yeah, no, because he's got damaged. Here are all the ones that you can collect.
Hold on, I'll look a bit further away from the camera. So the one that we've got is that one.
Yes, guy. He's a boxer.
That's pretty cool. Awesome. Right, what else have we got in the box?
Ooh, so we've got this.
Turn it over, that's an advert. Owl. Let's see what's in here. Right, it's all like kind of like the bird books that Great Grandma gets us every month. That's pretty cool.
And I've got this.
What's this? Ah, so Avengers assemble like temporary tattoos. They'll go with the Batman ones.
For me.
Yeah.
And I've even got this.
What is that?
Yoda.
A Yoda kit pop play display. Oh, so it's like a Yoda that you pop out and you turn him into this guy. No, we can work on that later. So, all in all, right, what's your favourite thing that you've got?
The box set and the temporary tattoos and the new Skylander with the sword.
Like I said, we do have a version of this dude. Don't knock in the camera. Interesting to see. Interesting to see who's in the original Skylanders set of those characters, though. This is from the same game as that. Like, you know that ghoul guy.
Oh yeah, the guy with the thing that you hit in the face and
No, the mace tail.
yeah,
dude,
that
yeah.
guy.
Yeah, this is from the same game. So he's got a green base. So
Ooh,
it'll go with the other
He's got a
Skylanders.
tattoo. Keep it.
Oh yeah. Right. Okay.
He's got a plaster on his head.
Yes. Right, we'll pack these away and then you say bye. Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye. Peace out.